Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to let ChatGPT automatically handle routine tasks on PC or desktop. So if you use connected apps with ChatGPT, you can choose how much permission you want to give it. The ask only before important changes option allows ChatGPT to retrieve information and perform routine actions automatically, while still asking for your permission before significant actions such as sending, deleting, purchasing something. This helps speed up everyday tasks without giving up control over important changes. So if you want to use this option, open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that, choose settings and then go to apps. Now here you will see the apps that are connected with ChatGPT. So to let ChatGPT automatically handle routine tasks, go to ask permission and here make sure to choose ask only before important changes, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.